Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel for a new video. If you're new, my name is Macy. So today I am going to be cleaning up my closet. So I have clothes over there, clothes over here, socks, all that I need to get hung up. You guys, I have so many clothes. I just need to do something. So anyways, yeah, if you guys want to watch me clean up my closet, then just keep on watching. I'm also going to be tidying up my room as well. So I'm going to clean up all of this. And I'm also going to make up my bed, clean up my nightstand. As you guys can see, I have clothes over there. It's just clothes all over the place. I'm so, And then I'm also going to be deep cleaning my bathroom, going to be mopping, wiping everything down. And also, I am going to be updating my Poshmark. See, I got stuff all down there. I'm going to be updating my Poshmark store. So if any of you guys know a boy between the ages of, let's see, this is a small. So I'm going to be listing a lot of Caden's clothes on Poshmark. So you guys check out that. Also, if you just know somebody that needs clothes, I mean, I'm willing to give his clothes away. They're very nice, by the way. I do spend quite a lot of money on his stuff. So just let me know if you know anybody that is in need and need clothes. This is a size, this is a small, I think, medium or something. I'll get the sizes listed for you guys, okay? So again, if you know someone that needs clothes, let me know. Here's a red collar shirt too. I'm also going to be listing a lot of other clothes that he has as well. So let me know.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew, then you got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done